The 9th generation Hilux made its world premiere in Thailand, one of the world's most pickup-loving market and the Hilux's biggest stronghold. Toyota has confirmed that the global exports will once again cover nearly every continent. The all-wheel drive Hilux is built on the IMV platform, the same architecture that underpins the recently unveiled Toyota Land Cruiser FJ SUV and the Hilux Champ compact truck introduced in the late 2023. The 9th Gen Hilux measures 5,320mm long, 1,855mm wide, 1,800mm tall and rides on the 3,085mm wheelbase, giving it a more planted and robust stance. The Hilux adopts bolder proportions and a tougher overall look. The front end now features a muscular hood, narrower LED headlights, and a gloss black trim piece connecting the lights with the Toyota name displayed in silver lettering. Below sits a new radiator grille with stretched honeycomb pattern, complemented by angular side vents and a large central intake framed by a silver accent and integrated fog light. Along the sides, the pickup keeps its traditional door handles and mirrors but gains squared-off wheel arches, fresh alloy wheel designs, and reworked side steps. At the rear, the new vertical tail lights flank the tailgate, which now includes an updated handle with an integrated brake light and redesigned steps for easier access. The new Hilux will be offered exclusively with a double cab configuration. Inside, the cabin design takes cues from the latest Land Cruiser Prado, featuring a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. The center of the dash houses a separate touchscreen infotainment system, up to 12.3-inch in size, along with physical buttons for essential controls. Additional upgrades include a wireless smartphone charger, new USB ports for the rear passengers, and electric power steering. Toyota's latest Safety Sense suite and teammate driver assistance systems also come standard. The powerful lineup remains diverse depending on market availability. Buyers can choose between 2.7-liter gasoline engine and a 2.8-liter turbo diesel, both of which can be paired with hybrid technology for improved efficiency. A fully electric Hilux is also in the pipeline, featuring dual electric motors, one per axle with a combined output of 196 horsepower and 59.2 kWh lithium-ion battery. However, its WLTP-rated driving range is modest at around 240 km. Production of the electric Hilux is scheduled to begin in 2026. The new generation Toyota Hilux will make its global debut in December, with diesel variants already open for orders in Thailand. Hybrid versions are expected to roll out in spring 2026, while hydrogen-powered models are planned for a 2028 launch.